So here's a Florida sun check for you. I live in southeast Florida and I'm outside in the sun all the time. I play tennis, I go paddleboarding, bicycling, walking, the whole 9 yards. And I wear sunglasses every day. It's very bright sunshine. I'm very concerned about my eyesight, so I wear sunglasses. So I wanted to try out these Woodies sunglasses. Look at the cute case that they come in. So when you open it up, and then you can attach it, clip it to something if you want. So when you open it up, they do have a little bag that you can carry them around in. And there is a cleaning cloth here as well. It says Woodies on it. Very nice. And what's really cute too is that they have a wooden guitar pick. And if you're into guitars, isn't that cool? But here are the sunglasses. And I do want to disclose that I was so curious about these. I asked Woodies, would they give me a pair so that I could give them an honest review, which they did. And I am honestly very impressed. So first of all, this is made of ebony wood, real ebony wood. They're very lightweight. They're like half the weight of normal sunglasses. Very sturdy. Steel hinge, double hinge, steel hinge. And then 100% polarized. When you're in the Florida sunshine, you have to really worry about glare. And so it cuts the glare beautifully, especially even while I'm driving. So what do you think? They're unisex. They are cool. I really like them. And I would really recommend that if you're looking for lightweight sunglasses, very sturdy, very well made. They do have a 30-day money-back guarantee. So they're great value if you want stylish, lightweight sun protection that really perform. So a great choice for Florida living, or if you're snow skiing. I know that I used to do that years ago, and the glare from the snow. So do try these sunglasses. I'm sure you'll be very pleased that you did.